Welcome to SAISREE'S Corner. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you force and pressure. This is physics first chapter. Okay, so there are many chapters in physics. So today I'm going to teach you first chapter of physics, and this is the part 1 or introduction to this chapter. So in this video I will tell you, means I will just give an introduction to all the concepts in this chapter. So, as this chapter name suggests, force and pressure. Yes, so I would like to ask a question. What is force actually? Yes, you all have learned in your smaller classes. Yes, what is force? What is force? A push or pull on an object result interaction with other object is called force. What does this mean actually? Yes. So when a push or pull on an object, suppose I am taking a ball. Yes, this is the object here. So when a push or pull, I am pushing or pulling this object, and when the push or pull on that object result interaction with other object. Okay, so the interaction is called force. Yes, so suppose let's take an example. A batsman. Yes, a batsman. He's batting. Okay, so now he has to face, means he has to hit a sixer. So now the ball comes from the bowler. The ball is the object. Yes. So when the push or pull means, pushing means batting actually. Yes. So when the bat means when the push or pull on the object through the bat, when the interaction means when the result in interaction with the other object, with the other object means with the bat, the interaction is called force. That interaction is called force. So now I think you have clearly understood what is force. What is force? A push or pull on an object result interaction with other object is called force. SI unit of force is Newton or N. Okay. So SI unit, what is SI unit? Okay, I think you know. If somebody asks, what is the SI unit of force? Newton or N? You can easily answer. But what if somebody asks, what is SI unit? SI unit full form means, full form of SI unit is System A International. Okay, so this is the term. Okay, so SI unit is a term which is used for every words in science. Okay, so in different countries, everything is known by different names. Let's take example, force is known by different name. Yes, temperature, we know temperature, but in some places it is known as Celsius, some places Fahrenheit. So the world decided that we should keep a firm term for each thing. So that is the SI unit. Now force is denoted by F. Okay. Now what can force do? This means that when force is applied, what it can do. Yes. So the first thing mentioned here is force can move an object from rest. This means that suppose that an object is at rest, means it doesn't move. So when we apply force, we can move that object from rest. Okay, suppose if you take simple pendulum. Yes, you have learned in class 7 chapter 13 motion and time. So you saw that it we move that pendulum. Okay, so first the pendulum it is at rest, then we move the pendulum. Yes, so now we move the pendulum. Okay, so pendulum is the object here. So we move the pendulum from rest. How we move the pendulum from rest? Through force. When we apply force, it can move an object from rest. Now the second point here, change the direction of a moving object. So the best example is cricket match. Okay, so suppose a batsman is batting, a ball is coming toward him. So here you can see the ball is coming toward him. This is the direction of the force of the ball. Okay, so when the batsman is applying the force, the ball means he is that is coming towards him. If you not apply the force, the ball will go in the same direction. But when he applies the force, he bat. Yes, he hit the ball and it goes in another direction. Okay, so the ball is moving. It is not at rest, but it is moving. Okay, so when we apply force, it can change the direction of a moving object. Yes, so this is the second point. The third point, bring the object to rest. So force can bring the object to rest. Example, football match, the goalkeeper brings the ball to rest. Yes, he puts, means he applies some force through his hands, so the ball comes in rest. Now either increase or decrease the speed of an object. Yes, so suppose if we take the ball is coming towards the batsman. Okay, so it is at a lesser speed. Yes, it is a slow speed. So when a batsman hit, it can either increase, means it can hit sixer, or it cannot. Yes, so in this way he can increase or decrease the speed of an object. The last point here, change the shape of an object. So force can change the shape of an object. Example, atta, roti. So we apply some pressure to change its shape and become it round shape. I think you have clearly understood what can force do. Now let's come to the next topic. Now, direction of force. So in the last video, means in the last topic, I have told that force can change the direction of a moving object. Yes. Now, what is the direction of the of force? Yes. What is the direction of force? As you can see here in the picture, yes, there is a woman and this is a door. I have put an arrow mark here. Yes, so this arrow mark shows, okay, so the woman is pushing the box or door, anything. She is pushing the object. So the direction in which she is pushing the object, that is the direction of force. As here you can see in the definition, the direction in which an object is pushed or pulled is called the direction of force. Here the woman is pushing the box. Yes, this is the object and this is the source of force. So this is the direction of force. The direction in which the woman is standing and pushing the box, that is called the direction of force. Now our video has come to an end. So now let's take a short recap on the topics we have discussed here. So first we discussed about what is force, then SI unit of force, third one is what force can do, and last one is direction of force. I think you have clearly understood all the topics I have discussed in this video. If you have any doubts regarding to these topics, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is the part 1 of this chapter. So I will send you part 2 in later video. Until this, bye from SAISREE'S Corner. Thank you, my dear friends. Now, if you have clearly understood what are the topics in this video, so like the video. Then if you have understood and if you want your friend to understand the same topic, or if they have any issue on these topics I have discussed in this video, please share my video and they will also understand it properly. Okay, and subscribe to my channel and I will upload more videos if you support me. Thank you.